is a design we're looking at for a walkway to connect the dock area, the central spar. There's a dock that goes around it, and we need to have a walkway that goes on the shallow water models from the central spar dock out to the outer spars. And this is a proposed design that we may be using. And you notice that there's these squares, and these squares allow water to pass through. So if there's a big wave, then it will pass through instead of pushing the whole deck up, which would be a problem. We don't want to push the whole deck up. We want to be able to just have the water pass through as necessary. So we've received already this material. It's called grading material. It's actually called FRP, fiberglass reinforced plastic. And this is a great material. It's lightweight. Well, it's still pretty heavy, but considering the amount of strength you have and for the size of the material, it's lightweight compared to those characteristics you're getting and the benefits you're getting. So we already have this material in stock now. So we came up with this unique design, which I think looks really good and very stylistic. And we could have just a straight design, but I think this looks a lot more attractive. To make this work, we would have to cut the sides of both parts, but then we would basically this one side here would be put over here, so it would actually line up side by side, so you'd be able to have a bunch of these cut out side by side, and there wouldn't be any wasted material because of that reason. So this curve in here, let's see if I can get a different tool here. So this part here would just be coming out of the opposite side. So like this cutout here is really coming from this part here. So when you lay all the parts side by side, it's one big continuous piece. So there's very little wasted material. And then, so here's from a different angle. The idea is that we would be able to put LED light strips in here to light the walkway up at night, which would look nice and be practical as well. Then we have these round supports that go to some horizontal supports, and then these go to these would be welded to the outriggers, which are basically these steel tubes that are under the water, and that's also our source of buoyancy, so that keeps us floating. There's another angle here, and so we have these. We're just going through an approval process internally with our weekly construction meetings to determine if this is going to be easy to build, affordable to build, and something that we think people would like to have, and if it's really the most practical solution for making a walkway. So this is one of the contenders we're looking at. I think it looks pretty good. Let us know what you think.